IP stands for indirect proof. Reductive assumption stands for RA. RP stands for reduction proof. We have got this sum. A implies B and C. B with D implies E. D with A, therefore E. Now we have to assume just opposite of this conclusion, that is not E. This is RA, that is a reductive assumption. After that we have applied modus tollens in second and fourth line. Second line is B with D implies E, and fourth one is not E, therefore not B with D. We have got. Now we have applied De Morgan's theorem on fifth line, that is not B with D is equal to not B and not D. We have got not B and not D. After this we have applied simplification on this sixth line, not B and not D. Therefore we have got not D. In the third and seventh line we have applied disjunctive syllogism, D wedge A, not D, therefore A. Now in the first and eighth line we have applied modus ponens. A implies B and C. A, therefore B and C. Now we have applied simplification on this ninth line, that is B and C. So we have got B. Now we have applied addition on this 10th line. We have got B with D. We have applied modus ponens on second and 11th line. B with D implies E. B with D, therefore E. Now we will apply conjunction on 12th line, that is E, and 4th line, that is not E. So we have got E and not E. This is contradictory. We can also solve this sum like this. That 10th step onward we can do this type of sum, that is from the 6th line, simplification of 6th line, we can get not B. Not B and not D is here in the 6th line. After applying simplification, we can get not B. And we have already got in the 10th line B. We will combine both B and not B, 10th and 11th. So we have got B and not B. So our reduction proof is E, because whether we write not E or we write not B, we have got contradictory statements like E and not E or B and not B. So whether we get E or B, the result remains the same. In both cases, there are two steps in the argument whose conjunction leads to contradiction. Whenever there is contradiction, one conjunct must be false so that the other one has to be true. So either we get E and not E, that is 13th line, or we get B and not B, that is 12th line. We will get contradictory statements. That's why our conclusion E is true and our argument is a valid type of argument. So in this indirect proof method, we just write the opposite of this conclusion, that is E. We have to assume just opposite of this conclusion E and write not E. If we will get contradictory statement like E and not E, or B and not B, then we will deduce this conclusion that this is contradictory, therefore E is true.